Hello class 3, good morning all. Today we are going to start new chapter from science. The name of the chapter is weather. Weather, the condition of wind, rain, sunshine and clouds at a place and at a particular time is called weather. The sun, air and water together alter the day-to-day weather conditions. Weather conditions may change every day. So, weather can change every day. Clouds, wind, rain and sunshine. They play a very important role to change weather in day-to-day life. Now, you can see that early in the morning you can see that it is raining heavily, isn't it? But at the same day in the afternoon it will be a sunny day. That means it shows that weather can change any time. So like this also, early in the morning you can see the clear sky in the morning. Okay, so in the same day you can see cloudy sky at the same day. So it shows that weather can change any time. Now changes in weather. Why does the weather change? Let us discuss the different conditions which affect the weather. So we have already done that sun, clouds, rain and winds. These are the very important things to change weather. Okay, so now let us go in details. Now sun. In the morning and evening the sun is low in the sky. The rays of the sun are slanting. At noon the sun is the highest point in the sky. So it shines directly overhead. Afternoon becomes the hottest part of the day. At night the warmth of the sun is missing. Therefore night is the coolest time of the day. This shows that the sun plays a vital role in changing the weather of a place. So children, first one is sun. Sun play a very important role to change weather at a place. So how? Early in the morning when the sun rises, okay, at that time the rays of the sun are very low, okay, and the rays of the sun are very low and it is slanting, okay, and at the noon time the sun is over our head. So noon is the hottest time of the day. At night the warmth of the sun is missing. So in the evening also the rays of the sun are low, and so that is why night is the coolest time of the day. So it shows that sun play a very important role to change weather at a place in a particular time. Next one is clouds. Clouds causes changes in weather. Clouds present in the sky block the sun rays. The weather becomes cool during the daytime. Cloudy nights are warmer. So sometimes you can see that you see only the cloudy day. Okay, clouds occur in the sky and clouds block the sun rays. Okay, so that is called cloudy day, and cloudy nights are warmer than other nights. Okay, because clouds present in the sky, so that is why cloudy nights are warmer than others. So it shows that clouds also play an important role to change weather. Next one is rain. Clouds bring rain. We welcome rain during summer. It cools the earth and makes the weather pleasant. Too much rain can cause floods. Flood is a natural calamity that can destroy property and crops. So children, you know that in a summer season when we feel very hot, okay, so we are waiting for rain, okay, and we enjoy rain a lot. So clouds bring rain. What brings rain? Clouds bring rain. And we welcome rain during summer, and it cools the earth also, and it makes the weather pleasant. Too much rain can cause floods, but children, too much rain, if there is much rain, then it can cause floods. Okay, and flood is a natural calamity which can damage property and crops. Now see the picture, this is drought, the cracked land. Okay, sometimes it does not rain enough. If there is no rain, if does not rain, then it can also destroy crops and animals. Okay, the crops dry up and animals may die due to lack of food and water. Such condition is called a drought. So next one is wind. Wind also play an important role to change the weather. Moving air is called wind. Very pleasant and gentle wind is called breeze. Wind can blow at different speeds. Okay, so moving air is called wind. Very pleasant, very slow and gentle wind is called breeze. Wind can blow at different speed. Next one is scientists use an instrument called Anemometer to check the speed of wind. This is an instrument which is used by scientists to measure the speed of wind. Now next one is sea breeze. In areas near the sea, breeze blows from the sea to the land in the daytime. This cool air is called sea breeze. So the places near the sea, the breeze or wind blow from the sea to the land. Okay, that cool air is called sea breeze. That air blow from the sea to the land, that is called sea breeze. Like this, land breeze in the night, at the same day, night breeze blows from the land to the sea. The air blow from the land to the sea. This is called land breeze. Next one is storm. Sometimes we see strong winds accompanied by thunder and rain. This condition is called storm. Okay, storm is strong winds. Okay, and it is accompanied by thunder and rain. That condition of wind is called storm. Strong storm can uproot trees and damage buildings. Okay, strong storm can uproot trees and damages public property like buildings or house, crops. Okay, so next one is now seasons. A season is the period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months at a time, this period is called a season. So children, weather can change at any time, but season remains almost the same for many days. Okay, when the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months at a time, that period is called season. In India, we experience 5 different seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. These are the seasons of India that we experience. Okay, 5 seasons. Now summer season. In summer, weather is very hot. The sun shines brightly. We like to stay indoors most of the time. We use room coolers and air conditioner to minimize the effect of heat. Days are long while nights are short in summers. People generally wear light colored cotton cloths during summer season. They help us to keep cool. Fruits such as mangoes, lychees and watermelons are eaten during this season. We sweat a lot summers, so drink good amount of water. So you know that in summer season it is a very hottest season of the year. Okay, and because at the summer season the sun shines very brightly, we like to stay indoors only, and we use AC to minimize the effect of the heat, okay, and days are long. During summer season, days are very long and the nights are short, okay. People generally wear light color clothes, light color cotton clothes, which is very good to wear in summer season, because cotton clothes absorb sweat from our body and it keep us cool during summer season, okay. Fruits like mangoes, lychees and watermelons are very common, okay. During this season we have to eat this fruits, okay, and drink lot of water during summer season. Next one is monsoon season. It rains the most during the monsoon. Rains provide water to the crops. It is important to have sufficient rainfall everywhere, every year. Farmers eagerly wait for the rainy season. Rainwater is stored in big dams. It is then sent to our homes through pipes. So, next one is monsoon season. In monsoon season, it rains heavily. Okay, farmers are waiting for the monsoon season because to grow their crops, isn't it? The crops, plants also need water to grow and live. Okay, and rainwater is stored in big dams. So, rainwater is stored in big dam, that water is used for drinking, okay, that is sent to our homes through pipes. So, floods. In some places when it rains heavily, it causes floods, okay, it damages public properties and crops also. During the rainy season, diseases such as malaria and dengue are common. Mosquitoes start breeding in the stagnant water in our neighborhood. We should not allow any water to collect in puddles in our neighborhood. So, in rainy season, you can see that in your surroundings, in your neighborhood, in some places water is stored in your neighborhood, okay. So, in that stagnant water, mosquitoes start breeding. So, we should not allow any water to collect in our neighborhood. Next one is autumn season. Autumn comes before the winter season. It starts from September to November. Leaves of some trees fall off in autumn. Days become shorter. The weather also starts getting cold. So, in autumn season is the beautiful season, okay. So, it comes before the winter season. It starts from September to November. Leaves of some trees fall off in autumn. Days become shorter and the weather also get cold. Next one is winter season. After autumn season, winter season starts from December to February. In winter, weather becomes cold. Sun does not appear very bright. In hilly areas, we experience snowfall. Days are short and nights are long. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Winter brings fruits such as oranges and grapes. We need to drink hot liquids to stay warm in winter. So, winter is the coolest season, okay, of the year. It starts from December to February, and in winter season the weather becomes very cold and the days are very short, okay, and nights are long. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Winter brings fruits such as oranges and grapes. We need to drink hot liquid to stay warm in winter. Next one is spring season. Spring season starts from March to May. The spring season comes after winter. Flowers bloom on trees. The weather becomes very pleasant. It is neither very hot nor too cold. So in spring season, it starts from March to May. The spring season comes after winter, and in spring season flowers bloom everywhere. It looks very beautiful, okay, and the weather becomes very pleasant. It is neither very hot nor too cold. The weather is very pleasant. It is neither very hot nor too cold. Now, difference between season and weather. Seasons. When weather remains the same for a long period, we call it season. So, the weather remains for a long period like 2 to 3 months, that is called season. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold. This change in air is called weather. So, weather remains weather can change at a place in a particular time, in any time, okay, but season remains for a long period. We have some months when it is very hot, some months when it rains heavily, and some months when it is cold and chilly. So, some months like summer season, winter season, spring season, autumn season, it remains 2 to 3 months. That is called season. Some months are hot, some months are cold, okay, and we also have spring and autumn when it is neither too hot nor too cold. We have spring and autumn season also. In this season, the weather is not very cold, not very hot. Weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes hour to hour. So, weather can change day to day or hour to hour at any time, okay. So, this much for today. Thank you.